Hello and welcome. My name is Francis. Today we are going to learn how to make antiseptic or DETTOL, the color green type or the one that smells lemon. A lot of people have been asking us how to do this type of antiseptic. So we are going to learn it today. If you are new on this channel, we encourage you to subscribe and then hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up and then share the video with others and leave your comments in the comment section. We'll answer you. And please take note of people who bring pen drive to you with our video on it claiming they work with us. Please, we don't work with them. When you are making this type of antiseptic, these are the ingredients or chemicals you're going to need. Phenol acid, base, color green, alcohol, lemon fragrance, DCMX. I will leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box. When you are making this antiseptic, you first mix your base with your lemon fragrance, mix it very well, and then add some water and set it aside. In another bowl, you mix your DCMX, your phenol acid, and then alcohol. Stir very well for everything to mix, and then set that one to aside. Now you combine the two mixtures, the base and the lemon mixture plus the alcohol DCMX phenol mixture. You combine everything together. Then you add your color. Now with the color, you add it to alcohol so that it can actually dissolve. You need to get oil-based color. You add it. Now you add water to your mixture. Then you add alcohol to it until you get the quantity you want and the clearness that you want. You are done with your green color or lemon fragrance antiseptic. Let's get started. DCMX, Phenol, alcohol, so I'm going to stir and then set this one aside and then work on the base.
If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
Base, lemon, I'm going to add some water to it.
Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 100 cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the product, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group. If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
So we are going to combine the two mixtures and then we will be done. So my base couldn't melt so well. So when you are doing it, you just have to. Whoa, too bad. When you are doing it, you just have to stir very well so that it mixes well. Okay, so I think it has now melted and well. You add your color to it, just a pinch. Alright, I think the color is okay. So we are done with our DETTOL or antiseptic, the green type. This is how you make this type of antiseptic or DETTOL. Like I mentioned earlier, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share the video with others, and then leave your comments in the comment section. We will answer you. And please be mindful of people who gives a pen drive to you with videos, without videos on it, claiming they work with us. Please, we don't work with those people. We thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again.